Will Ondo Finance, Ondo USDT, or USD experience a comeback? I think it has a pretty good chance of doing that based on what I'm seeing on the charts here. Now, I've talked about Ondo with you guys last time, and since then, some things have changed. I have mentioned that last time there was a possible symmetrical triangle pattern that could have been building up. However, that has been invalidated, okay, because we did get candle closes below that pattern. Now, we're going to be taking a look and zooming into what the pattern could be doing here on a smaller time frame since the breakdown there. But let's just do a very quick recap of Ondo here. Now, on this weekly time frame, it has broken out of this falling wedge pattern. You guys should definitely know your falling wedge patterns by now if you guys been following my channel. It is the most common pattern that you guys will see if you guys start charting your charts. And what this pattern tells you is that after an extensive downtrend on that time frame, that it's more likely to break back out to the upside. And if you guys been following my videos, you guys know, and if you guys been counting the breakouts to the upsides, you guys would know. Of course, they will still have a chance of breaking down as well. It's all a game of probability, and the price target, if the price target for this breakout here would be about $1.90. Now, since the breakout here, it has not really been doing too much, right? It had a double bottom as well, right? Which is not uncommon to see for breakouts of a falling wedge pattern because you're going to have quite a bit of resistance above the price action, including your moving averages, okay? It is still trying to get on top of the weekly 50 SMA and the weekly 21 SMA. That's ranging from about 91 cents to about a dollar. Okay, so something to be paying attention to. But there are quite a bit of bullish patterns here that could be playing out, which has a higher probability of breaking to the upside. Of course, a lot of this is going to depend on what happens with Bitcoin, okay? I talked about Bitcoin earlier today, and some things to be very important to be paying attention to because some things have changed with Bitcoin since the monthly and weekly candle close that just happened yesterday or 2 days ago. I will link you guys to the video I did on Bitcoin earlier today. Very important to watch. I never trade altcoins without a clear understanding of Bitcoin. Now, I am long on Bitcoin. I am still long on quite a bit of the altcoins here because even though the market signals on the shorter time frame, like the weekly time frame, looks a little mixed. On the higher time frame, like the monthly time frame, it still looks good to me. Okay, so I am still careful, but on the longer term time frame, I am still bullish. Let's take a look into Ondo here on a shorter time frame, daily time frame here. What could we be dealing with since it has invalidated that that symmetrical triangle pattern? It has formed a falling wedge pattern, okay? And the price target, if it breaks out by this point, let's just say, for example, price target would be about just right above $1.10 here. Quite a bit of daily moving averages to get over, including an immediate one at the daily 200, about 90 cents, right? Something to be paying attention to. So yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing for Ondo so far. Now, if you guys want to continue seeing any more of these, any more of Ondo or any other altcoins I've been talking about, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and of course, all of these are just my opinions and not financial advice. You still got to do your own research before making a trade. Okay, so let me know by dropping a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll pick a request to do for you guys on a daily basis as well.